I'm Brett with Streamlight, and before we get started today, we've done a full safety sweep. We have no live ammunition, magazines, and the pistol chamber is empty and is flagged. Today we're going to talk about the TLR-1 HL X. The TLR-1 HL X is a dual fuel light, so it will take standard CR123 lithium batteries, or it will take the Streamlight SLB9 rechargeable battery that has the built-in USB plug right in the side of the battery. One of the key features with the TLR-1 HL X is it comes with a full kit of fitment keys to fit multiple different pistols. So the kit comes with the different switch paddles, a little multi-tool, and then the different fitment keys. So we're going to cover how to change out the different keys in the TLR-1 HL X. The first thing that I would recommend is to hit the button on the one side and move the throw lever just so that it's out of the way. It doesn't have to be open all the way, but you just kind of want to move it out of the way. On the multi-tool, there's basically three features to it. One is to tighten up the screw and mounting it to the light. The second one pushes the pin out for the switch paddle, changing out the switch paddles. And then the third one here has two different sides to it. This is for the E-clip, and so you can remove the E-clip and reinstall it. There's two different sides. One side has a little grooved out section to it, and that's for capturing the E-clip when you're reinstalling it so it doesn't go flying out or anything. So what we're going to do, we're going to use it with the flat side down. You want to maneuver the clip so it gives you space to push that E-clip with the tool so that it pops off the head of the screw. I take the little pin and just kind of remove it the rest of the way and just set it aside. Now what you want to do is just unscrew the screw. I would recommend that you keep your thumb on this side of the jaw clamps. Unscrew the screw. There's a tensioning spring. You're going to remove that. You can remove the key, install whichever key you would like in, put the screw back through. When you push that in, if you're holding this side of the clamp system, that's going to start to thread into this side of it. So you want to tighten that screw all the way in. It doesn't have to be extremely tight, but what you're looking to do is have most of the head of the screw protruding up there. It makes installing the E-clip a little bit easier. So you're going to take the E-clip, you're going to set it flat on the side of the light. I always kind of rotate it a little bit, just like this. Again, you want room to be able to move that forward. Take the other side where there's groove. It's going to capture that E-clip, and you're going to push that over the head of the screw until it snaps into place. So once it snaps into place, it's all set. That's going to be your retention so that the screw can't come out. It's kind of a stop feature to it. We have this one already set up for the Walther pistol we're going to use today. The way that you're going to do it, you unscrew the side screw, you push in, and it's spring loaded. So as we mount the light to the gun, you're going to push on the screw head, it'll mount onto the gun, then you're going to tighten up the screw. There is a tool that comes supplied with it to finish tightening it, or you could use a washer, a coin, anything else to fit the slot and tighten up the light. The TLR-1 HL X comes with two different styles of switch paddles. It comes with the standard switch paddle. It also comes with a high switch paddle. So the way to change from one to the other, you're just going to take the supplied tool, push the pin, push it until it stops, change out the switch paddle, replace it with the other style that you're looking for, and then push the pin back in, and that gives you your change. You can run either switch paddle on either side of the light that you want. So if you're looking for more room for your trigger finger and you're right-handed, you can run a high switch on the right and the standard switch on the left. This interchange of paddle switches can also be done while the light is mounted onto the gun. A key feature to the TLR-1 HL X is that the batteries load through the front. So there's a button on the left-hand side and a throw lever here on the right-hand side. Push the button, throw the lever forward, and it opens up the light. You're going to put the batteries in, close the light and rotate the throw lever back to the closed position, you should feel it click, and that'll be locked closed and ready to go. We've changed to the dual ambidextrous switches on the back, so you're going to press and hold for momentary. So whether you're right-handed or left-handed, functionality is going to be the same. Press and hold for momentary, tap it to lock it on. High switch, low switch paddle, doesn't make any difference. The function is exactly the same. For more information on the TLR-1 HL X, click the link below or visit us at streamlight.com.